Hi, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right. Welcome to Animation Capstone. Week 7. That's right. We're on the last 5 weeks, so we're getting toward the end. Really getting close and really finishing off strong. So, yes, speaking of finishing strong, that's what we're going to be focusing on this week. So, last week we finished the first 30 seconds, really got everything ready to go and everything set up. This week we're going to focus on the last 15 seconds and hit them with a bang at the end. That's really the focus of what we're going to be doing this week. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. Start taking a look. All right, let's go. So what we got this week? So pretty much how to end with using what you have. So really we're finishing how do we differentiate what we use in the first 30 seconds, because obviously we have the best at the front, right? So how are we going to finish strong is really the question. So we really want to showcase a surprise and really something that we haven't expected. So showing that wow factor is really what we're doing. And this week we're going to talk about the intro into the last 15 seconds and how that really plays a part in remembering who you are as a person, as an artist, but also as the work follows through as well. So we're going to all be talking about that and everything flowing through. So sweet, let's get into it. So yeah, really we're going to hit them with one big bang. A lot of times you want to save something that is one of your like eye-popping pieces, so really show a flashy and cool technique. However, it's got to be a new piece, so don't repeat your work as the last piece from the first 30 seconds. You want to show something that reflects on the main subject, but also showing, hey, I can do this as well. But we'll go into a little bit more in detail with that later. Not only that, we're also going to talk about callbacks and their importance. We're going to talk about more of that in lecture, and also really giving credit to people in work that you didn't do in group projects. For example, a lot of times you may focus on work and be in groups that do large projects. For example, I worked on Madden. There were over 1,000 people that worked on Madden. I can't take credit for everything in Madden. Usability, totally. But everything else, I can't do that. So you have to give credit where it's due. And this is where we're going to talk about ways to possibly do that. And that's where we're going to really draw the line in those aspects. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And then we're also going to talk about the beginning and the end and really get more into detail. Those last 15 seconds of a demo reel are really important and almost as important as the first 30 seconds. So those last few clips really solidify you as a potential employee and to remind you that's the person I want for that company or for that project or for that project team. So unlike the beginning of your reel, how it's going to really draw in your audience, you're going to give them a strong understanding of what you're capable of and keep them watching. That's those first 30 seconds. The last 15 seconds is going to remind them why you continue to watch the work, and that's really the important aspect. We're going to go into detail about that, really get more work in class on lecture. Keep in mind the lecture links posted. Also posted the announcements as well, including the rubrics on the announcements. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'll see everybody for lecture tomorrow. Be safe. Enjoy. You do have a discussion, so keep in mind your initial post is due on Tuesday, all right? Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. See everybody for lecture tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.